Hi, scholars and families. It's Wednesday, and it's time for a new lesson. Today, we are looking at Module 6, Lesson 21. It looks like this. Let's get started. We are reading on to 1-2. Derek saw 21 monkeys at the zoo. He saw 4 fewer monkeys than tigers. How many tigers did he see at the zoo? Pause and solve on your own. Let's look at this one together. Nice job solving on your own. Which monkey or which animal did Derek see more of? Did he see more monkeys or more tigers? Think hands. That's right. Derek saw more tigers because he saw 4 fewer monkeys. That means he saw 4 more tigers. So I'm going to add an extra piece onto my tape for tigers. So we know that Derek saw the same number plus 4 more tigers. Now we need to solve to find the value of this tape. We can add together this part and this part. We grab 21 and count on 4 more. Do that on your own. Nice job. You should have gotten 25. So we know that 21 plus 4 is equal to 25, and that means Derek saw 25 tigers at the zoo. Can we use a subtraction number sentence to solve this problem? Yes or no? No, we cannot, so I don't even need to fill that one out. Don't forget to fill out your answer statement. I'm going to write Derek saw 25 tigers. We can also check our problem with the text. So we know that Derek saw 21 monkeys at the zoo. He saw 4 fewer monkeys than tigers. Is 21 4 fewer than 25? Let's grab 25 and count backwards. 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Yes, it is. Let's go on to the next page. Today we're thinking all the different combinations on how we can make a quarter. I have a quarter right here. This is what it looks like in the front and in the back. And who remembers how many is worth, what a quarter is worth? Who remembers the value of a quarter? Let's sing the song to remind ourselves. A penny is 1, a nickel is 5, a dime is 10, and a quarter. That's right, and a quarter 25. Now let's look at this first row. This first row says blank pennies. How many pennies do we need to make 25 cents or 1 quarter? Pause and draw a picture to show how many pennies we need to make 1 quarter and fill it in the blank. How many pennies did you draw to show 25 cents or 1 quarter? I drew my pennies in 5 groups. So all of my pennies are in groups of 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each group. Let's skip count by 5 to see how many total pennies I have. I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. How many groups of 10 do I have in my drawing of pennies? I have 2 groups of 10. That's right. I have this one and this one. I have 2 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. Let's try the next one. This time we're trying to use dimes and pennies to show 25 cents or 1/4. Pause and draw dimes and pennies to show 25 cents. How many dimes and pennies make 25 cents? I chose to use the combination 2 dimes, 5 pennies. I even have it right here. 2 dimes and, oops, pause 1 second. In my hand, I have 2 dimes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. I used 2 dimes to make 20, and then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 cents. Let's try the next combination. The next combination is asking us to use dimes and nickels. Pause and draw the dimes and nickels you need to make 25 cents. For this one, I chose to use 2 dimes, 10, 20, and 1 nickel, which is worth 5. 10, 20, 25. There's also more than one right answer for this. You could have chosen to use 1 dime, which would be worth 10, and then 3 nickels to make 10, 15, 20, 25. That's also a combination you could use. Next one says, blank nickels, blank pennies. Use nickels and pennies to make 25 cents. This time I used 1, 2, 3, 4 nickels, which makes 5, 10, 15, 20, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies, which makes 5 cents. You could have chosen a different combination, but that's the one I chose. As long as your combination also equals to 25 cents, that's all that matters. Next, you're going to use only nickels to make 25 cents. Go. This time, I chose to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nickels. Let's count how many is equal to 5 nickels. We're going to skip count by tens. Get ready, go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Does that equal 1/4? Yes, it does. Last one. We're trying to find out how many quarters makes 25 cents. What do you think the answer is? That's right. It's 1/4 that makes 25 cents. So go ahead and write 25. Nice job on all your hard work on these questions, scholars. Make sure that if you're working on a piece of paper, you get all of this information down on your page. Let's take a look at your independent practice. If you're working on a piece of paper and not the packet, remember to put your packet up on your computer or your tablet and write your answers on a separate piece of paper. For this page, you do not need to draw all of the coins for number 1. You can just write the name of each coin on a blank line. Awesome job with all your hard work, scholars. And thank you so much, families, for supporting our scholars through all of this remote learning. Don't forget to log on to Zern and do your independent practice. Have an awesome Wednesday. Bye, scholars.